What does buying off the plan mean? Buying a property off the plan means agreeing to purchase a property before construction or completion, and usually before the plan of subdivision has been registered and separate titles for the property issued. The term off the plan comes from the idea that you are purchasing the property based on plans and specifications of the proposed final product. Is it cheaper to buy off the plan? It is generally not cheaper to purchase a property off the plan. In the case of land estates, oversupply of land and resales by purchasers in adjoining land estates or previous stages can bring down property prices in the area and cause issues with bank valuations at settlement. With apartments and units, low-quality building works and amendments to the plans and specifications before settlement can both heavily affect the value of the finished property. How much is stamp duty? To qualify for a stamp duty concession on off-the-plan purchases, you must occupy the property as your principal place of residence, and the market value of the property must be less than $550,000 at the time of sale. Calculating the market value of the property at the time of sale can be difficult, as the vendor can, at their discretion, use the fixed percentage method or the alternative method to calculate the value. How much is the deposit? The Sale of Land Act prohibits a deposit for an off-the-plan contract to exceed 10% of the purchase price for the lot. Where the contract is also considered to be a major domestic building contract, such as where the vendor is also the builder, the deposit must not exceed 5% of the purchase price. The contract for the sale of an off-the-plan property must contain a notice that the purchaser may negotiate with the vendor about the amount of deposit payable. What are the risks? Unfortunately, many contracts for the sale of off-the-plan properties contain dozens of special conditions which remove most of a purchaser's rights provided for in the common form of contract or by Australian consumer laws. These special conditions will usually require the purchaser to reimburse the connection costs for electricity, NBN, and water, which can cost thousands of dollars, in addition to requiring the purchaser to use an embedded electricity network, which will prevent you from connecting electricity through your own preferred supplier. If you are obtaining finance to assist with your purchase, there is always the risk your finance will not be approved at settlement due to changes in lending criteria, changes in your personal circumstances, or low valuation of the finished property. The biggest risk of purchasing off the plan is not being able to see the quality of build. In addition to issues with combustible cladding, we commonly see cases where fire and waterproofing were not installed, or major structural issues which appear years after settlement. Like this video and want to learn more? Check out our blog at www.conveyex.com.au.